This is a 9003 pinch pleat rod, heavy duty oval rodding. And this is a one-way left. And we're going to mount it with a 3.5 inch return. Goes 3.5 inch to 4.5 inch. Also with a support on the other side for 3.5 inch to 4.5 inch support. So we're going to mount the wall mount return on first. And we're going to take the support and mount that next. And now you could take and pop your left side in, take the rod, little twist, pop it in, and then take your baton and put your baton on your master, and there you go. Pinch pleat rod, 3.5 inch return.